What is it? You're trying to show me something, aren't you? Okay, let's go.
How can I help you?
A giant python has attacked an elephant. Bring a rescue team now.
We will be right there with the rescue team.
The python is here. We have to secure the perimeter now. Agreed. Mobilize the ground teams immediately.
Let's move.
Okay, team. Final gear check. Let's make sure we have everything we need. This is a critical mission. All right, team, let's move.
Bag secured.
Ready when you are, boss.
It's wrapped around his neck. We need to hurry. Let's get him free. Be careful.
We're almost there, just a little more.
Come on, pull harder. It's starting to loosen. Get the water! Get the water! Hurry! Hurry! Get back! Get back! It's too dangerous.
Get the hose on its head. Keep spraying. It's not letting go. Try to pry it off.
I don't think it's working. We should get out of here. Get the sprayer ready now. I am trying. It is stuck. Just pull it, pull it. We need to act quickly. Get that spray on it. Pull harder. It's starting to loosen.
I'm trying.
This thing is strong. Come on, get it off. Pull. Pull.
Keep the tension there. Don't let it coil back up.
We almost got it off his back. Pull. Easy now, easy.
You're all right, we're here.
Nice and calm. Watch the head. Now's our chance.
Throw the rope!
Pull it tight, quickly. Keep the pressure there. All right, pull the gate. Now.
Okay, he's sedated. I'm going to inject the medicine now. What a relief. I am so glad we were able to save this big guy.
All right, see you later, buddy. Everyone loaded up?
Yep, let's roll.